If you're seeing you have too many downloads on other devices error on Netflix, you're not alone. This error typically happens when you've reached the download limit for offline viewing on your Netflix account. Don't worry, we've got you covered with a quick fix. Let's get into it. Here's how you can resolve this issue. Open your web browser and go to your netflix.com and log into your account. Now tap on downloads at the bottom of the screen. Select manage download devices or manage offline devices. This option might be under the settings or a similar menu. Review the list of devices that have downloaded the content. Netflix allows downloads on a specific number of devices depending on your subscription plan. Identify which devices has downloads that you can remove. Open Netflix on one of those devices where you want to remove the downloads. Go to downloads and find the content you want to delete. Tap on the download icon next to the content and select delete download or a similar option. Confirm the removal. This will free up a slot for you to download content on a new device. And that's it. By managing your downloads and removing unnecessary devices, you should be able to fix the you have too many downloads on other devices error and get back to enjoying your favorite Netflix shows.